Welcome to this fantastic 3-bedroom home here in Chadstone. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, renovated. It truly is one that is rarely found. There's 2 on the block, securely located at the rear, and sensationally just a 9-iron to Jordanville station. Let's go inside and let's go and take a look. Whether you're entering the market for the first time, downsizing or investing, this stylish single-level home positioned at the rear promises an easy care lifestyle. Enhanced by natural light and modern floors, you're welcomed into a generous sized living room. It goes through to a practical kitchen and dining area boasting a gas cooktop, dishwasher, breakfast bar and has terrific storage. The 3 well-placed bedrooms share a central family bathroom with separate toilet. Outdoor, there's a low-maintenance alfresco courtyard, ideal for relaxing and entertaining in these beautiful, warm summer months. For lifestyle, it's just a short walk to bus services, Jordanville train station and the Riversdale Golf Club for all our avid golfers. Well, there we have it, 3-bedroom, north-facing, light-filled lounge room, a versatile floor plan with enough space to create that desired second living area. We really look forward to meeting you very soon at the inspection. I'm Ian Van Eijk from Fletchers Real Estate. We welcome you soon.